Hi, I'm Suikou Miura. Today I'm going to talk about the amount of ink on the brush. I work as a Japanese calligraphy teacher, but there are quite a few people who put ink on their brushes at a time. Many people get nervous and put only a little ink on their brushes. What do you think will happen to a brush if the amount of ink on the brush just a little? It is easy to imagine that the lines are blurred. The tip of the brush spread because of dry. In this video, I will teach you the appropriate amount of ink to put on the brush. If you can adjust the amount of ink by yourself, you will be able to write beautiful lines. This channel shows the beauty of Japanese calligraphy. Please subscribe to my channel and click good button if you like my video. So let's get started. First, I'll put ink on the inkstone. The inkstone is called suzuri in Japanese. I'm going to put this much. Now I'm going to ink the brush. This is bad example. Only the tip of the brush has ink. The amount of ink is just a little. Let's write it like this. Horizontal lines, the brush is dry, so the lines are blurred. The amount of ink is just a little, so the tip of the brush is spread and I can't write it beautifully. The brush is dry and spread like this. Next, write in such a large amount that the ink drips. Put plenty of ink on the brush. I'll put it on until it drips. Then, let's write it down. Horizontal line, is better than broad line. Next line to brush off. One more time. The tip of the brush is neat and nice. But it's hard to write because the ink drips. On the line I write are hard to dry. The line spread after while. Finally, let's look at a good example. In this way, you can apply enough ink to the base of the brush. After that, the amount of ink is adjusted like this on an inkstone. I will slowly adjust the tip of the brush. Now, the ink to the base of brush, but it doesn't drip. This is the appropriate amount of ink. Let's write lines. Horizontal line. Good. Line to brush off. The brush tip is neat and brush is always moist, so you can write beautiful lines. Good example. Lastly, let's write down the kanji for the sumilyo and check it. As long as the amount of ink is appropriate, keep writing like this. Here, I put a lot of ink on and adjust the amount of ink on the inkstone. If the ink becomes a little, please apply it again. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click good button if you like my video. See you next time. Bye bye.